Hi guys, here I am at Big Lots. Let's take a look at what they have in furniture, guys. This is a storage bin. Okay, a Stratford Embrace. Your style. Oh look, this is a bin, $9.99. And then you have that one over there, that's $9.99. And these are the styles that they have, guys. Pretty awesome. Then they have the cube organizer right down here for $64.99, guys. You see that? And here they have the one for $4, and that's $44.99 also, Stratford. Then they have this TV stand, wooden glass TV stand with a mount, $199, guys. Let me see if I can get that picture for you. Okay. Then you have that TV stand for $169.99. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I like that. Let me look at these couches, guys. They're so beautiful. So you got this lazy boy. I think it's a rocker. Okay, yes, that's a rocker. And that's $249.99. Here is the ottoman for $199.99. So you have another one. This is actually, yeah, the same one. So they have a double set. So they have the same exact set, guys. So look at this. I'm liking this one too. So this sectional right here is $799.99, guys. Then you have the ottoman for $199.99, and here's the lazy boy chair. So the prices are the same when it comes to the set, guys. Okay, so on this side, guys, you have this sectional right here. So that this chair is not a rocker. This is this reclines back. This recliner is $225, and then this sectional right here is $699.99. And then they have this ottoman, but it doesn't look like it matches, guys. That comes from a different set. So let's take a walk and see what else they have. I'm really liking their furniture, guys. Very reasonable. I need to get a couch myself. So this couch right here, I know that you can change the accent pillows. That size right here, that sofa is $399.99. And then this one here, it's not beautiful. And this one is sold. This one was on sale, $100 off, guys. $299.99. I like that set, guys, because I can't have anything too big where I live. Okay, so this sofa right here with the pillows, I don't know if it's with the pillows, but it's $399.99, and that was also sold. So it looks like they're having a big sale. I like this couch right here. Isn't that nice? So that sofa right there, guys, is also sold, and that was $399.99. Then you have this couch here. You have this couch right here. That one's Mercer Silver Sofa Group, and that's $299. Guys, I am so sorry for the noise. It is so loud in here. So then you have this couch right here, and there's no price. There's no price in this sleeve right here. And here's another couch. This one here, guys, in this beige color is $499.99. Then it says sale $50 off on this couch. So let me back up so you can see it. Okay. And that one, guys, let me see. That one is $549.99, and even that one was sold out. So guys, look at that TV stand. That's $199.99. And then they have that TV stand. That's the foam marble on the top. And that one is $199.99. This one over here, guys, look how pretty that is. I'm liking these doors. Guys, look at those doors. They slide back and forth. I like that. That's $200 now. It's $259.99. They're having a big sale. And this one right here, that one right there is $99.99. And look at the size of this one. Guys, $309.99. You save $40. Wait till I show you the beds, guys. So this one here, if you look at this one, is $699.99 for that. And that one is already sold. Oh my goodness. So look at this bed, the headboard. So let me see, dark gray velvet cutout bed. So That one is $299.99. I don't know what it comes with because I'm pretty sure the mattress set is separate. And it says here $599.99. This is a queen size. And look at that headboard, guys. This looks like a king size set, and it's wooden. There's the headboard, and there's the headboard, and there's the foot board, and it comes with drawers. $549.99, guys, and then the dressers are all up on the top, guys. That's pretty awesome. So then you have this set here, $379.99, and this one is queen. Okay, and then look at this one, guys, $379.99 for the headboard. I'm not sure if the footboard is included, but I'm loving the color. Look at the grain. Let me come up close. I like that. So if we come over here, guys, let me see, $199.99 for this table. And it is a 3-piece, guys. So it's this round table. There's the coffee table is oval, and the round table. And then you have this set here. And then look at this, guys. I'm liking that. That's the foam marble pub set, $349.99. Then you have a 5-piece dining set for $499.99, guys. Let me see this one over here. So we have this one. I don't know what style this is. It's called Raleigh pub stools. Okay, so the pub stools are $90 a piece, and the table. So if you get the 5-piece set, and that's what it looks like, guys, in the picture. That's $399.99. It has those side shelves. I like that. So then this here is the pub table with the four chairs. That's $499.99, guys. And then look at these lazy boy chairs, the recliners. So this one here is $349.99. And this one here, you save $50. That's $250, guys. And you have this one and this one. Okay, so this is Broyhill. This recliner right here is $299.99, and that one too. Then over here you have this one, and it's the wider one, guys. Those are so comfortable, $299.99. And then you have this recliner here. So a lot of these things have the soul sign on them. Wow, guys, look at these. So those two end ones over there, that's $229.99. And here's the big wide one, guys, and that's a wide one too. So those are like $300. I'm just gonna scan the floor for you guys. Big sale here. And most of this stuff I didn't even realize was Broyhill. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out their furniture sale for Independence Day, and I will see you in the next video.